Hi, this is Nathalie from LineDotArrow, and today I want to show you how I made this collage book page and stitching and turned it into a decorated journal page in this ring bound journal. And I use items from the kit and also items from a book page. Well, the background is a book page. And what I did is I created this page and I didn't talk. I just made a page, and afterwards I did edit the video together and did a voiceover. So after this you will see a clip where I made this page and telling you what I did. Little steps to help you out if you want to try it too. It's not difficult, I think, but maybe I can help somebody out making a collage or inspire them to make something. And yes, it was really fun making it. So enjoy this little tutorial video in this video, and I'll see you afterwards. So we start off with the book page. I stamped a mushroom on it. I'm using the black ink that I bought at the Action. It's a cheap brand, but it works very well. Next to this mushroom, I'm placing another mushroom, and this time I'm using red ink, Christmas red it's called. And I also stamped a leaf in green and a second leaf also in green, adding a little bit of the black to give it a little bit more dimension. I'm not sure if you can really see it, but... And now I'm ripping out images, mushrooms, from a page from the kit. And I'm ripping several pieces and inking around, and then I'm placing them on the book page, making a collage. And this is the first strip, first piece I'm adding. And another piece. Now I'm adding cheesecloth, some faux jute, fraying it a little bit, adding red lace, inking another image, inking the faux washi that's also in the kit. The image is also from the kit, adding it to the page. And now I'm ripping out images from an old botanical book that I have, inking the edges of course, and placing it on the book page in a way that it looked balanced to me, pleasing to the eye. And when I've done that, I have a script stamp, inking it with black ink and stamping over the page randomly. There's no rhyme or reason, I just stamped where I felt needed to be stamped. Then I'm inking again with the wild honey ink, with a vintage photo again, adding a sturdy page to the back to make it, well, sturdy, cutting it to size, and now gluing on some ledger, ripping off a strip from one of the kids' pages, cutting it to size, again the inking. I did so around the edges with red thread, poke the holes, put in the eyelets, stars in this case, setting them and adding it to the journal. Oh, well, I hope you liked the video, and if you did like this complete video, maybe you want to leave me a comment. A comment about the journal is always welcome. And what I also did, but I did film it, but I'm not going to add it into this video because it's not that big of a deal. I made this tag to put it under the slide page, and I just had the tag and I collaged it with an item from the kit, some cheesecloth, and I made this step thingy. And I really like how the step thing turned out. It's really, well, I think it's really cute. But I didn't film, well, I did film it, but I'm going to put it on Instagram. I'm not going to add it into this video. But yes, this is it for today. Thank you for watching. Maybe you want to subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. Make sure you hit the bell so you will be notified when I upload new videos. You can still enter for the giveaway. I think it's 2 more days you can enter for the giveaway for the Bella Blue journal. There's a video on how you can enter, so maybe you want to check that one out. And well, we're going to work a little bit more on this journal and see how we end, because well, it's getting a little bit bulky already, and I don't want to put too much in, otherwise there's no room left to write. And yes, what I also wanted to ask you, if this journal was finished and I do a flip through, would you be willing to buy this? Because I'm not sure if I can put it in the shop or not. I'm making it and I don't use it. I do like it. And I was thinking, well, what should I do with the journal when it's done? So maybe you can tell me what you would do when you saw this journal. So yes. I'm going to stop now. Stay safe, stay creative. Greetings from the Netherlands, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye. Bye.